In this video, Jack Daniel's Honey is coming out to play. I've gone a bit crazy. I've paired it up with some fig. Welcome back, drinks fans, and specifically whiskey fans. Jack Daniel's Honey. I thought it was about time I kind of followed up a video I did last year that's gone bonkers. This one, I'll be honest, this is probably one of the best cocktails I've tasted in ages. Proper up my street. Fig and honey, a few other flavours come out to play. I've added some foamers to kind of get that nice kind of foamy kind of thing going on. Oh my God. I'm so impressed with myself right now. Literally so impressed with myself right now. That is a stunner. Now, my Legends community have got involved, as they do in naming the cocktails, because these will all go into my cocktail book, due to be relaunched, released, whatever the word is, released, mid sort of 2021, summertime. Now, I actually haven't picked a name yet. Ross went for Honey Ficus Carica Sour. Apparently, Ficus Carica is a scientific name for a fig. Pretty's gone for Lady's Angel Cure. Callum has gone for Ginger Honeyed Whiskied Me Off My Feet. I kind of like that one. I do kind of like that one, Callum. Ginger Honey Whiskied Me Off My Feet. Ginger fig. I kind of like the fig in there though. I kind of want the fig. So Ginger Honey Whiskied Me Off My Feet. Andy went for JD's Fig Ale. And Paul's gone for Jack's Ginger Danny. Now, none of those I'm going to pick. If you've got any better name suggestions, give my Legends community a run for their money. But I do kind of like the Ginger Honey Whiskied Me Off My Feet. But I kind of want the fig element in there. So get involved in the comments below. Right then, let's run you through the ingredients for this. Obviously, I've got my Jack Daniel's Honey there. I think, to be fair, this would work even with Cascabel Honey Tequila. It would work with whiskey, normal whiskey, even if that's Jack Daniel's, whatever your favourite whiskies you want, with a bit of honey syrup or honey liqueur, whatever you fancy. I'm just going for Jack Daniel's Honey. That's what this video is all about. So I've got Fig Liqueur. Now let me let you into a little secret. Fig and honey is one of the most amazing flavour combos ever. I've done fig and honey daiquiris, fig and honey Kaiparoskas, you name it, fig and honey. I can't think of them, but I've done a lot of fig and honey stuff. Punches, it is so good. I love the combo. So fig and honey. I was toying with an old fashioned, but I thought I'd do something different. I've got some sugar syrup, I've got some ginger ale, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and I've got my foamers. I'm going to foam it. So cocktail shaker for this, because this is what's this, 35, isn't it? 35% ABV. I'm going for 60ml, a double bubble of this. That's had coffee in it. That's all right. Let's get the other one. That's not our coffee in it. Right. 60ml, 2 ounces, double bubble of JD honey. Oh, yeah. Love fig and honey. Love it. Love it. Oh, fresh figs with honey drizzled over them as well. Oh, right. 15ml, half an ounce of my fig liqueur. And because I'm going to drink it, I'm going for 2/3 of an ounce. 20ml. Bit more figgy. Right, some sugar syrup. 15ml of sugar syrup. 1.5. And I'm just thinking I think my sugar is 15ml, but my lemon juice, yeah, I'm actually going to up it. I'm going to up my lemon juice just on the spur of the moment. I'm just going for 22, 2/3 of an ounce. Again, matching the fig liqueur, 22.5ml, 2/3 of an ounce. There we go. Just a slightly extra bit of honey there. Right, I'm gonna what's the word? Dry shake. That's what I'm going to do for this. I don't always, but I'm going to for this one. 8 drops of these little beauties. That's all you need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 magicals. And if you're thinking, why is he foaming when he's got fizzy stuff? Because I want to. Because there's been a lot of Ramos Gin Fizz stuff going around recently, and Ramos Gin Fizzes have got soda water in them. I thought, sod ya, I can play your game as well. So, dry shake. Now I'll get the foam going. That's all you need to do, to be fair. Look. But I will entertain you for 5 more seconds. There we go. See, look, that's all proper. Look at that, look. And it's even got that sort of dark purple hue to it. So I'm just going to ice this up now, because obviously we want a cold cocktail, so I'm going to chill this down. So again, good, hard fight. You don't have to use egg whites. It's not an egg white cocktail, I don't think. But you can do, if you want to. But I'm just going to shake this down there, 10, 12 seconds. Right, when that is nice and cold, oh, the pressure that builds up from the froth makes it harder to get it to bits, doesn't it? Right, I'm going for my julep glass here. I haven't used that this session, so I'm going to use that. I've got my little bit of ice left. And I like double straining frothy stuff because it does give it that kind of more creamy kind of velvety texture. So I'm going for that, yeah. And it should just leave me enough room, which is perfect. Leave me a tiny bit of room there for my ginger ale. I just want a little bit fizzy. You could go soda water if you want, but I wanted ginger. And I'm just going to free pour this, but I will roughly be about 30 ml. That's what I'm going to do. Just free pour over the top ice cube. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? And there we go. I was going to garnish with a fig again, but I couldn't get any. It wasn't I forgot. I actually couldn't get any from the supermarket this morning. So I've got a sprig of mint instead. Now, if you want even more Jack Daniel's recipes, I've just had a little sip of that. It's so good. Pop it up on screen, dive into one of those videos. Oh my God. Give me a big old like. And if you don't want to miss any of my future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.